Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix app issues in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings, and in settings check date and time will be set automatically or not. Click on general and now click on date and time and set your date and time automatically. And after set your date and time automatically, go back your home screen and close all the background apps. After closing all the background app, then restart your iPhone to fix minor glitch in your phone. For restart your iPhone, simply press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and then slide this icon to restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, open settings and then click on general, and here you can see the option software update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest iOS version, then update it to latest iOS version. After updating latest iOS version, go back and scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on transfer or reset iPhone and then reset, and then click on reset all settings, and then enter your screen passcode, and here it will be confirmed to reset all your phone settings. It will never destroy any other data like photos or videos and other data. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. So this is the way to fix app issues in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.